Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshi and today we have with us Titan men's watch, and this is the Titan Curve stainless steel. So let's unbox this beast right now, and if you watch till the end we will hook you with a special coupon code that will save you some money. So without further ado, let's get started. So it comes in this nice black box. It says Titan, and you can see all the model number in details right here. So let's unbox this beast. It says the MRP right here is 5995, and without further ado, here's your classic professional looking watch. It also has a warranty information, so it comes with 2-year warranty and it works warranty across India. So let's unbox this one. You have some silicone gel, keep this aside for the time being, and this is the watch, star of the show. Let's unwrap it up. Premium packaging, I would say. As you can see, beautiful watch. It comes in this nice blue dial, curve look, right, and it's nice silver mesh design strap. Now the price of this on the Titan website and on the stores is 5995, and if you want the gold color, it is for 6995. Okay, it says Titan, it's original, and you can see premium design. I will try to wear it up and we'll see how does it looks. Now first of all, as you can see, it has a date window, which is upsell, I would say. Like, date is super useful, and you also have your the time itself. Now the con here is that there is no hours, so there's only minutes, so you might take a split second unless you know where the hours are. It's a little difficult, but you get this nice crown, so you can adjust date and time right here. It's pretty smooth, and we will actually remove the seal as well, but let me try to wear it first and we'll see how it looks. Also, you get this hook design, so though this is a mesh style, but this is not a Milanese loop, this is your hook, and definitely it's adjustable and says India, so it's made in India, which is very good. So let's try to wear it up. Remove my Apple Watch. So as you can see, this is how the watch looks like. Pretty nice, pretty sleek. It's very good. It gives you that professional office look, office vibe, and I really like the blue dial. It looks amazing. Also, it's very sleek. As you can see, it's very sleek, right? I just love it. Like, this is state of the art. This is the premium Titan design, and the blue dial is somewhat like it makes that like a different white, like two-tone silver and blue with the white numbers, and it's good. Like, I like it. You also have this Titan logo, which literally stands out. Now the side profile is really good. It's nice thin. It's not the thinnest, but gives you nice Apple Watch kind of feeling. And you have the silver mesh strap, and again there is one with the leather strap as well. It's around 5300, 5400, something like that. And I like it. Like, if you want a full in-depth review, let us know in comments down below, or if you want to see some another smartwatches or watches, let me know in comments down below. As you can see, the date window is really big, and that is really good. So overall, thank you for watching till the end, and guess what, we have this available in stock on our very own tech store. So if you want to buy this one, especially this silver color with blue dial, we have right now only 2 in stock. Definitely check out the link in the video description, and we already have it at 10% off straight only on our tech store. So if you buy from Amazon, if you buy anywhere else, you won't get any discount, but if you buy from us, you get straight 10%. Plus, because you're watching this video, you are part of a tech show family, so you can use coupon code family15 to get additional 5% off. So that's 10% plus 5%. That will bring the price to 5030 rupees. Insane value for money. And again, the quartz movements inside it will last you for years, and the battery lasts you for 2 years, 2 to 3 years. So That's like low maintenance, almost zero maintenance, I would say. But a very good watch and very sleek design, very professional office vibe look. So definitely, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.